everybody, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And I got just another short video for you today. This is going to be my entry into the Big Rig group build, sponsored by Jeff over at Jeff's Model Garage, and I should have a thing up there somewhere for it, a little clicky thing. And I talked to him, and this is going to be my entry for it. This is not exactly what most of you guys would call a big rig. And so I checked with him, with Jeff first, and he said, yeah, that's okay. And I know this is a late entry for it, but I think I can still get it done by the deadline. Alright, let's take just a minute to step back, and we're going to show you guys the parts in this one because it's taped up and I really don't know what they are. Hang on just a minute. Now I bought this about 10 to 15 years ago, and it's taped. I can't tell you if that's factory or I taped it up when I moved, but let's take a look inside at this Academy 1/35th scale M997 Maxi-Ambulance. I do have a reason for this. It's kind of a tribute gift kind of thing. Everything is still wrapped up in the plastic, but we'll get into it, what the tribute parts are when we get it completed. Some clear pieces that are bagged up. Nice body. Pretty hard tires. That's okay. Remember when they used to put little tubes of this stuff in the models? I guess that's how old this is. Does it have a date on the box? Precise tires. 1/35th. English 1/35th. Copyright 1995, so this is a pretty old kit, 35 years old. Does anybody want some 35-year-old glue? Yep, everything is still bagged up. You see engine blocks, doors. This is also supposed to have an interior for it. And the litters, these look like litters to me. Great big ambulance decals. I am going to try to find it for a specific division that I don't know if I can get anymore. It's been a while since I built any military models. And again, even though this isn't a big rig, at least it says Maxi. And it's certainly not something you see on the civilian roads. So let's see what I can get done with this thing in the next, before July 1st. And we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.